England, a land where the echoes of ancient history meet the relentless pulse of the modern world, anchored by its iconic and rugged coastline. To understand this nation, one must first look at the map, distinguishing the storied land of England from Great Britain and the United Kingdom. For centuries, this small island forged an empire that spanned the globe, leaving a legacy that reshaped the modern international landscape. Through trade and conquest, the English language became a global bridge, connecting diverse cultures from every corner of the earth. But England's roots reach even deeper, back to the remnants of Roman walls that once defined the northern frontier of a different empire. Further west lies Stonehenge, a monolithic mystery standing silent in the mist, a testament to prehistoric ingenuity and spiritual devotion. The year 1066 marked a turning point, as the Battle of Hastings redefined the English identity through a fusion of Anglo-Saxon and Norman culture. Today, that heritage is felt in the simple rituals of daily life, starting with the hearty tradition of a full English breakfast. Afternoon tea remains a cornerstone of elegance, a refined ceremony of porcelain and scones that epitomizes the English sense of decorum. The legendary stiff upper lip and a mosaic of regional dialects reflect a people of understated resilience and rich cultural diversity. In the heart of the capital, the City of London stands as a global financial titan, where glass skyscrapers pierce the historic skyline. The Bank of England, the Old Lady of Threadneedle Street, guards the stability of the pound, one of the world's oldest currencies. Deep beneath the streets, vaults of solid gold represent the literal and metaphorical wealth that flows through this financial hub. From the smoky chimneys of the Industrial Revolution to the cutting-edge labs of today, England has always been a cradle of innovation. The spires of Oxford and Cambridge remind us of the centuries of academic genius that have shaped global science and literature. The rhythm of English life is dictated by its iconic transport, from the red double-decker bus to the subterranean labyrinth of the tube. Driving on the left, a quirk inherited from the days of knights, remains a distinctive feature of the English road. English culture is a vibrant mix of high-stakes sports and artistic revolution, where the Premier League meets the legacy of the Beatles. From the pristine lawns of Wimbledon to the chaotic joy of the annual cheese rolling race, the English spirit is both serious and eccentric. At the center of the state remains the monarchy, a symbol of continuity that draws millions to the gates of Buckingham Palace. Meanwhile, the Palace of Westminster stands as the engine of democracy, where centuries of law and tradition govern the modern realm. But the true heart of England lies in its people. From the dedicated staff of the NHS to the diverse communities that call this island home, England remains a global superpower of heritage and modernity, ever evolving while remaining proudly rooted in its remarkable past. From the neon-lit skyscrapers of Tokyo to the trading floors of New York, a single language acts as the invisible architecture of our modern world. In the cockpit of every international flight and the servers of the global internet, English serves as the universal bridge for communication and science. This is soft power and influence achieved not through the force of arms, but through the pervasive reach of words, ideas, and shared understanding. Beyond language lies the blueprint of order. The strike of a gavel in London once set the rhythm for justice across distant continents. The common law system and the rule of law became England's most durable exports, outliving the very empires that first guarded them. History, however, is a landscape of light and shadow. The expansion of empire brought incredible connectivity, but it came at a heavy human cost. While railways united nations, colonization left deep scars. Understanding England's legacy requires acknowledging both the structural progress and the stories of exploitation. The English spirit is often found in its atmosphere. Gray skies and constant rain have long fueled a brooding, poetic imagination that conquered the globe, from the wit of Shakespeare to the grit of Dickens. These narratives shaped how the world perceives class, struggle, and the human heart. But England's greatest revolution was one of the mind. With a single falling apple, Isaac Newton redefined our place in the universe. Later, Charles Darwin's Tree of Life challenged our origins, cementing a tradition of discovery that continues to push the boundaries of human knowledge. Today, Britain is no longer defined by its borders, but by its vibrant diversity. The streets are a tapestry of music, food, and global identities. Symbols like the Red Bus and Big Ben remain icons of stability, while the BBC carries the voice of Britain to the farthest corners of the earth. In a post-Brexit world, the nation faces a new question: can its historic influence endure in a high-tech, rapidly changing global landscape? The empire hasn't disappeared, it has evolved. It lives in our laws, our screens, and the very words we use to dream of the future.